I'm Megan Kalida of Performance Honda on Route 4 in Fairfield, coordinator and developer of PICT, Performance Inspired Kindness. Performance Inspired Kindness was inspired when we rallied around Kyler Bradley. Kyler Bradley was a young boy here in Fairfield that was diagnosed and was battling a rare brain tumor. We saw all of the Fairfield community stand behind him, as well as those here at Performance Honda were cheering for him. It was at that point that we realized people within the Fairfield community need our help. And we're in need of assistance. PICT has taken us to the Humane Association of Warren County, where we donated cat food and dog food to the shelter. It has also taken us to the One Way Farm, where we took Valentine's Day gifts to the young boys and girls that reside there. We have volunteered with Rascals, or random acts of simple kindness affecting local seniors here in Fairfield. We were able to help 3 senior citizens clean up around their homes. We have also gone to the YWCA, a women's shelter in downtown Cincinnati. We donated pillows and overnight bags for the children that are there with their mothers. We also got to work with Rethreads. Rethreads takes clothing donations, makes it available to needy families of Fairfield City School students. We were able to visit the Fairfield Fire Department. We've been able to hold adoption events with Joseph's Legacy. They are wonderful people that foster animals until they are adopted. We have visited the Bethany House, a women's shelter in downtown Cincinnati, and made dinner for the residents that are there. We volunteered at the Yellow Ribbon Support Center. We helped box care packages that were going to be sent overseas to active duty military. And that brings us to the Teacher Fund. The Teacher Fund was a way to reach out into our community to ask them to help us pick a Butler County school that would benefit from $2,000 worth of school supplies. It was incredible to see so much community support. Believe it or not, many of the places that PICT has visited this year have been selected by employees of Performance Honda. As you can see, PICT has the potential to reach many organizations and people who need assistance, and we're able to do so through Performance Honda and our ever so caring employees.
I am Performance Inspired Kindness.
We are Performance Inspired Kindness.
I am Performance Inspired Kindness. Holla at your boy.
I am Performance Inspired Kindness.
I am Performance Inspired Kindness, and you've been picked.